after about a whole year. I'm back with another iPhone video. This phone I have not cracked. I told y'all I'm gonna take care of this phone. I told y'all. Hey guys. Y'all, my last one blew the up. You know what I'm drinking. I'm sipping on matcha. First of all, I just want to thank all of you guys who subscribed to my channel, who watched that video, commented, shared it, liked it, whatever you did. Thank you so much, because that video alone grew my channel so much. I know with that video, a lot of you guys subscribed to my channel and maybe we're hoping for more like Apple product videos. I'm gonna keep it 100% with y'all because that's what we do on this channel. I am not out here buying Apple products every other day, okay? I filmed that video because I haven't bought an iPhone in a few years. I was like, let me share it with y'all, and I did not expect that video to do so well. So again, I just want to remind you that my channel is not a tech channel. I'm not, you know, the biggest tech person. I don't really know everything. I can just give you my point of view from like a content creator, you know, side. I do lifestyle videos, I do wellness videos, but I know a lot of you guys like my tech videos, so I'll sprinkle a little of them in there. But other than that, I'm so happy that you guys are here. I'm so happy that y'all subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As you guys know, I've had this phone now for about a year, I would say. A little bit over a year. So I've had some time to really figure out the phone, see if it was worth the hype, and also figure out if the phone is good for a long term. So as you guys know, I know you guys are, whoever's watching this video, you're up on Apple products. The 13 came out and I was contemplating on getting it, but at the time I had just gotten my 12, or like I had it for a few months. I had no reason to upgrade, so I did not get the 13. I still have my 12 Pro Max, and I think that is the best option for anyone who had the 12. If you're upgrading from like a 7 or an 8, then I would say the 13 is worth it. Keep your 12 until the next iPhone comes out, because I'm gonna be honest with you, in my opinion, the 13 is like basically a 12 with just a better camera, right? So with that being said, as you know, the 13 is out. What Apple does most of the time is lower the price of the last models. So what we're gonna do is see how much the iPhone 12 Pro Max is right now. I'm gonna go straight on the Apple site. You can buy it from like third party or whatever. I'm gonna screen record so you guys know I'm not lying. I searched iPhone 12. I've seen the iPhone 12 and I do not see the Pro for some reason, the Pro Max. I just see the mini in the iPhone 12. I don't know if the iPhone 12 is the max, but I'm gonna act like it is, right? Okay, it says a one-time payment right now is $849. So I think it is a little bit cheaper, not including tax. But I'm still not fully sure if that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't really know, but it's not even on the Apple website anymore. But yeah, that's the price. Alright, so next we're gonna go into the exterior of the phone. As you can see, I still have on the same case that I ordered when I first got it, because I'm basic and I like to keep things simple. And I also do not like buying phone cases for some reason. Like, I don't know. I like them as gifts, but to buy them for myself. So let's take this off. Ooh. So I have on my screen protector, guys. And I just want to say happily, I know it was a fear of mine, this phone I have not cracked. I told y'all I'm gonna take care of this phone. I told y'all. The screen is not cracked. I have a glass screen protector on here. That has cracked. Overall, the phone is good. I dropped this phone so many times. I will say that about the exterior of this phone. It is durable, I'm not gonna lie. You do need to protect it and, you know, have a case and a screen protector, but it's held up. I dropped this phone down these stairs and it was okay. Another thing that happened too, not with me, but my mom was in the hot tub, right? And she didn't notice it, but she had dropped her phone in the hot tub for like probably 10 minutes, I would say. She took it out the hot tub. She thought it was done. The phone was over, you know what I'm saying? You know how Apple is with like waterproof and stuff. She said like a notification came on the screen and was like, phone removing water from the phone. Don't touch it for like 30 minutes or whatever. And she waited and the phone was okay. So I mean, that's a big deal with Apple, right? Being able to have your phone submerged in water and for it to be okay. But overall, I would say the exterior is still okay. It's like a little bit scratched up. Ignore my nails too. You can see it's a little scratched up from the last time, but overall it's still in good shape if you ask me. Screen is not cracked. Comment 3 Apple emojis if you're proud of me for not breaking the screen. Thank you. Make sure you get a case that protects the cameras. Alright, now let's talk about the storage. My biggest issue is always storage. Guess what I did? I finally broke down and bought the iCloud storage. I was like, I am not paying 99 cents a month for no damn storage. Meanwhile, I can go to like Starbucks and get like a $10 drink. And guess what? I bought the extra storage and now I'm back to having no space again. But anyway, I got 256 gigs. It has been a blessing. I don't have any issues downloading the apps I want, taking the photos that I want. My only issue is iCloud right now, like that I'm running out of space. But the phone itself has been amazing with space. I haven't gotten one message that I'm running out of space on my phone. My last phone, it used to just left and right, no space. No space. Especially since I make content on my phone and I use it for work. Basically, I needed a lot of space, and the 256 gig is definitely worth it for me. Alright, now the weight of the phone. I know when I got the phone, it was a little bit bigger than what I had the 8. It wasn't such a big deal to me, the weight of the phone. I knew it was a little bit heavier, but when you have something for so long, you just get used to it. It's normal to me now. I mean, I had this phone for a year. I don't even remember the weight of my old phone. Overall, if like weight is a big issue to you, you will definitely get used to it. One thing I would say though, it's a little difficult for taking selfies because I have really small fingers and hands. So like the way my pinky has to reach to get to the other side of the phone, it hurts. Like that's the only thing with the weight and the size of the phone. Alright, so lastly, you know we always end with the camera. Let's talk about it, okay? Because the camera is such a big deal in iPhones. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. I did notice a decrease in the camera quality. I don't know if it was just a me issue with my settings or if I needed to just update my phone, but there was a certain point where quality of my camera just decreased. I feel like since then it's gotten better. I really don't know what happened, but yeah, it was kind of bad at one point. Now I would say my pictures still come out really good. Here's some pictures that I took on my iPhone. Most of the pictures that I take on Instagram, I use my iPhone, guys, and the quality is still there. It's still good. I film my TikToks with my iPhone. It's really good. If you're just starting out on YouTube too, you can most definitely 100% just use your iPhone. Even if you're not just starting out, you can use it, you know? I'm gonna do a test selfie to show y'all. Make sure that I wipe it down. Alright, I'm gonna use portrait mode. I barely use portrait mode. Now, regular photo, I like when I'm taking selfies, I can zoom out, like it has that wide angle lens. But I did notice if you're shooting a video with the front camera, you can't zoom out. I'm gonna show you guys what the back camera looks like. I'm just gonna zoom in on the books on my shelf. Now I'm gonna do the wide angle lens with the video. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's still pretty good, but in my opinion, I think that the quality is not as crisp as before. Maybe it's me dropping my phone, maybe it's Apple, or maybe it's the fact that my phone is not completely wiped off. One thing that I still love about the camera is the wide angle on the back. I'm able to shoot really wide when I'm out vlogging, and I love that. So my final review, do I think you should still buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max? And my answer is definitely yes, especially with the price drop. I think it's worth it. I do not think buying the 13 Pro is worth upgrading to if you have a 12, but if you are new to iPhone or if you do have an older phone, I would say get the 13. Obviously it's the newest phone out, and Apple always prioritizes the new stuff that they put out. Let me know what you guys want to see next, my Apple product subscribers. If you have anything that you want to see or any video ideas that you want to see that don't require me to spend thousands of dollars every month, please let me know. Also watch my other content on my channel if you're interested in like lifestyle content and wellness content. Definitely check those out. Let me know down below, did you buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max and are you still looking to buy one? Let me know. Comment down 3 Apple emojis if you made it to the end. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest. If you want to know where to find my Apple icons, just check the description down below. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for, honey? I will see y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.